God Cafe is basically serving healthy food. It's not related to God, but basically what food we eat. Definitely we are always thankful to God. So the concept is very clear. It is, going back to our basic Indian roots. आजकल हम बहुत फास्ट फूड, वी आर टू मच ऑफ infatuated with the fast food. It is pre-prepared, पहले से बना हुआ है, उसमें बहुत सारा this more of refined flour, more of sugar, white sugar is used. What we eat is what we are. Keeping that in mind, I said why not this fast food can be made in a healthier way. So healthy doesn't mean कि वो boring है या it won't taste good or something. So A2 कुछ नया नहीं हमारे लिए. It is what our ancestor used to consume, the ghee, the milk and everything. Before 6 years, I had been to the forest of Gir. And there I found that अपनी जो Indian जो गाय है, जो Gir breed जो बोलते हैं, every Indian cow has A2 protein in them. But the Gir has the maximum amount of protein, that is 90% of protein. 25 years or 30 years before, there was a milk revolution where all the foreign breeds of cow were imported to India. All the dairy farmers and everybody started importing them, breeding them, because they give 30 liters of milk. Whereas our Indian cows, they just give hardly 7, 8, 10 liters. Everybody started getting foreign breeds, and the foreign breed, the major concern here is that A1 protein, which is not compatible to our Indian human DNA. Because हमारी जो body है, we are Indian, so our DNA does not match with the A1 protein. डाइजेस्ट नहीं होता है, जबकि A2 मिल्क जो है वो बहुत ही लाइट होता है, उसके जो DNA वो हमारे बॉडी से मैच होते हैं, हमारे सिस्टम में ब्रेक डाउन होता है। गिर गाँव का जो हम्प है उसमें सूर्य केतु नाड़ी विच इज़ कनेक्टेड टू देयर अडर. सो व्हेन द काउ इज सेट फॉर ग्रेजिंग और दे गो आउट फॉर ग्रेजिंग, दैट सन रेज falls on their hump. They have that सूर्य केतु नाड़ी which absorbs that rays. The vitamin D जो हम shots लेते हैं या हम जो मेडिसिन, वो naturally milk में आता है. Every day we used to consume the milk. My son started getting better. He had a acute bronchitis, but gradually it came down. And then I found that this has to reach to people. Then धीरे धीरे एक 4-5 साल से अभी I have almost 150 cows with me, and we are supplying milk across Mumbai. It starts at the farm in the morning. The milk is collected. It is maintained in a cold chain. It reaches to the customers, it reaches to the cafe. Being a raw milk, it is very important to boil, so we advise our customers, we advise here the milk coming to cafe, we immediately boil it. We do not do any kind of process, like no pasteurization, no homogenization, nothing. So it's completely natural raw milk. So once it is boiled, it is ready for use. Here in cafe, we use it for milkshake. We make our own ice creams with that milk. We make all different desserts like firni is made, sevaiya kheer is made. And another speciality here in God Cafe is ghee misal. So जो ghee misal है वो A2 घी में बना है. उसमें हम स्प्राउटेड मटकी वॉट वी आर यूजिंग, जिसको हम कोकोनट में उसको हम सौते करके उसको बहुत ही हेल्दियर वे में उसको रिप्रेजेंट, एंड पीपल रियली लव इट. वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक ऑल द डिशेस फ्रेश. ऑल्सो ऑल द डिशेस, जैसे पोहा है तो वी आर यूजिंग कोल्ड प्रेस ग्राउंडनट ऑयल, हम कोई रिफाइंड ऑयल यूज़ नहीं कर रहे. सॉल्ट वॉट वी आर यूजिंग रॉक सॉल्ट, सो the menu is designed in such a way that each and every ingredient, whatever is used here in God Cafe, has to go into your body and has to give you some positive effect, good effect, not bad effect. Your food works as your medicine. You don't need any medicine if you're eating the right food. So please do visit God Cafe for the experience of healthy and tasty food.